Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher. In today's video, I've got this cool new product, boneless short rib meat. It's pretty cool actually. It's all boneless, so you actually get a better yield for your price. You've got no bones that you're not going to eat and throw out. So it's all the hard work is done for us at the meat factory. So it's pretty cool. It's got some awesome marbling. Look at that. So anyway, you get two pieces. I've just opened a pack up. And I'm going to trim this up and show you how to make it ready for burnt ends. And you get, they weigh about 1 kilo. So our friends that don't use kilos, it's about 2.2 pounds per pack. But anyway, let's get into this. And so you can see it here. It's where the bones were, and they've just taken them off for us. That's pretty handy. Awesome marbling. So we're just going to square it up, get rid of that excess piece of fat there. Put that over there. Here, trim that out, and look at that. As soon as I start, my little friend beside me wakes up. Just take off the excess fat. I actually leave a bit of this on when I cook it, but I just wanted to really open up and just show you the cool marbling, just of a Kilcoy standard grain-fed beef. It's pretty impressive. That's done there. Turn that over. And on the back here, sometimes there's a little bit of, so we can turn that over, and we're going to trim that off. Just grab it, just slowly pull, Again, make a little knife indent, pull it off, so you open it all up, see all the magic underneath there. That's pretty cool, very impressed. In this side, so since you open up that, you have a look here, that's the part layer you want to go under. Just put your knife under there. And angle your knife up. Boom. And that part there, take that part off. And that's all done. That's all you're ready to do. So this is a boneless short rib meat. All we're going to do is season it up, and we're going to, later on today, we're going to put it on our grill and cook it for a few hours, and that's it. Really basic, no mucking around, no bones, no waste, nothing. Awesome. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you at my next. Bye.